When you're looking for outfit inspiration, are you very drawn to those basics? They look so effortless, stylish, and just easy. And that's what I was thinking. So I ordered a lot. I thought I was gonna look like this, but in reality, I look like this. To be fair, this doesn't look bad, but it's very different than what I had pictured in my head. And how many times had this happened to you? If your answer is, it happens a lot, here's why. Most women don't realize what seems to be an effortless outfit actually involves a lot of effort. And if you're not paying attention to those things, basics are much harder to pull off. And that's why 90% women feel like they don't look that good in basics, myself included. So today, let's take a deep dive. What actually makes a basic outfit look elevated, attractive, versus plain and boring? Let's take a look at this outfit. When you first look at it, it's just a black top and black pants. Doesn't get easier than this. I have a lot of these in my closet. I can easily pull it off. If that's what you're thinking, this is what you're gonna look like. Again, it doesn't look bad, but this was not what you were aiming for. You wanna look stylish, and this looked too basic. So this is what I would change. First, the neckline. Mock neck is one of the most trendy necklines. Compared with the V-neck, this looks more contemporary, and therefore the basic doesn't look so basic anymore. Now I'm already looking better. Step 2, change the pants. Even though both are black, wide leg pants immediately look more modern compared with the taper leg pants, which looks old school and restrictive. Now you can see a very big difference with just a simple tweak of the leg shape. And step 3, accessories. Once I put sunglasses, jewelry, and a purse. Now this looks totally different. Compared with the original outfit, this is night and day. So that is a 30-second version of how you can transform a completely basic outfit into something that looks stylish and effortless. But there's a lot I have not covered. Here's the thing that nobody else is talking about. When we want to look good and looking for outfit inspirations from Pinterest, Instagram, most likely the models or influencers in the pictures that's giving you those outfit ideas, they have totally different body shape than you. And that's exactly what is going on with this outfit. The model has a very toned body. She has a waist definition and a longer leg ratio. But the same outfit on me looks nothing like that because I have a more rounded and fleshy body shape. So the same knit sweater vest on me was only exposing my weaknesses, making it very obvious that I don't have a waist definition and my stomach looks bigger than it actually is. So instead of a sweater vest, I switched to a linen vest. This has more structure and it's also a neutral color, so it still looks pretty basic, but this holds my body much better and it also gives me a natural waist definition. And this is much more suitable for my body shape. So you get my point. If you want to look better in basics, you must consider your body shape. And this is especially very important for those of you who have a bigger bust. Some of the biggest trends for the basics outfits involves button-down shirt, oversized pieces, and none of those are very friendly for women with bigger chest. The same thing applies to petite women. Because of our height, if you're shorter like me, I am 5'2", you will find a lot of the basics can look amazing on somebody who looks taller, but on us, it can be a big challenge. One good example are the boyfriend blazers. These are everywhere. Whenever you're looking for outfit inspiration, they're gonna always pop up and they look effortless on somebody else. But on a shorter person, I have tried a lot and most of them are actually overwhelming. So if you're drawn to that relaxed, cool girl kind of boyfriend blazer look, then you need to make sure you're really paying attention to the details and make sure you find those that actually are suitable for you, for your height and your body shape. One thing I highly recommend are ruched sleeves or 3/4 sleeves. Details like this will keep that overall relaxed, oversized look, but they will not overwhelm a short person. Accessories can totally transform a basic outfit. Never underestimate the power of a good bag. Here's a common mistake. Well, gee, my clothes look basic and therefore I need a bag that looks also basic so that they can go together. It's actually the opposite. The more plain your clothing look, the more you will need your bag and other accessories to elevate the outfit. No matter how understated your clothes look, you always want your bag to look expensive. But looking expensive doesn't necessarily mean that they are actually expensive. And the key, here's my biggest tip for you, is look for texture and structure. For example, this little straw clutch has been my go-to this summer. And this is not a sponsored product. I purchased it myself from Amazon and cost me like less than 30 bucks. What makes it look expensive is the texture and the hardware. Another thing to look for are structures. I've always noticed bags with a structure hold their shape, and that's why they look more elevated. And they can go with not only more dressed up work outfits, but also very casual outfits. And of course, if you have designer bags that you actually invested a lot of money in, definitely pair them with your basic outfits. And you are not overdoing it. You are actually making a smart move, because pairing a real designer bag with your basic clothing will instantly upgrade your entire outfit and make it look 10 times more expensive. Now let's talk about shoes. Shoes are so important. This is the other half of the equation. When it comes to basic outfit, it's so tempting to default to sneakers. Sure, sneakers can work for some outfits, especially if you are going for that casual vibe. But here's the thing, sneakers will make any outfits look casual. So if you don't want to look too underdressed, go for more polished shoes. For me, my go-to are kitten heels. The reason? Kitten heels go with everything. Whether you're wearing jeans, shorts, or dresses, they will always make your outfit look more polished. Because they're lower heels compared with stilettos, that makes them look way more understated. And that's the reason they can go with just about any casual or more polished outfits. If you're thinking, well gee, I'm wearing the most basic clothes and therefore I don't need any jewelry. That's what I used to think. But that's actually a very common mistake. The more plain your clothes looks, the more your jewelry can play a bigger role to make it look more upgraded. When it comes to jewelry, don't overdo it. Less is more. You especially want to skip those jewelry sets which look very matchy-matchy. Those look too formal and they can look restrictive unless you're going to formal occasions. But you want to go with dainty pieces. These are subtle, but at the same time, they can instantly upgrade an entire outfit. Even when you're wearing the most basic white t-shirt and jeans, adding a necklace or earrings or bracelets will immediately change how you look. Basic clothes can be a lot of different things, but one of the most popular items overnight that everybody's wearing are the button-down shirts. But did you ever feel like they don't look that flattering on you? If that's how you feel, you're not alone. I feel that way too. Actually, most women do. The thing is, button-down shirts may seem to be simple, but there are a lot of tricks in order for them to look better on you. Because of that, I made another video for you. Watch this video. Why you look bad in button-down shirts and how to look 10 times better. I'll see you in this video.